Picture ang kita ni puta. Yado. Okay. Okay.
What a beautiful place. Fountain. Digo National High School. It's really beautiful. Super clean. Diba? Dito lang yan sa South Korea. So, welcome to Daegu Technical High School in South Korea. So nice. To the plants. So very beautiful. Oh. What school. So very presentable. Super solid dito yung training ng inyong walking electrician. Usok check. O, diba? So this is the field for football in South Korea. So may mga parking building and dito kami nagtutraining sa taas. So welcome dito sa South Korea. While nag-enjoy ng training, syempre enjoy din natin yung kanilang lugar. Thank you and God bless. Maraming salamat mga kapoging electrician.